What if I told you that you can now create Instagram carousels in under 5 minutes using AI that actually get you clients? They're all beautifully designed just like this, and the only thing that you need is one prompt. You no longer need a marketing agency, you no longer need creative designers to create content for you. All you need is Claude. In order for you to run this successfully and make Claude create content for you, first thing that you have to do is go to Claude, the desktop version, and go into projects. When you go to projects, you want to click on new project and start the entire project from scratch. When it comes to starting this project from scratch, of course, name it Instagram carousels, and then you want to tell Claude the instructions on how to work in this project. This is the most important thing because if you just tell Claude without any instructions to create your Instagram carousel, it won't work. That's why the instructions that you want to paste are this. So you can either pause this video, so you can copy paste this entire script, or you can write this yourself. Then once you're ready with the prompt, that you can see it's quite long one, but it's detailed in order to help you with getting clients, then you paste this entire prompt and you click on create. Then Claude is going to create a new project specifically for these instructions that will create the Instagram carousels for you. And you can see before Clouds start creating the Instagram carousels, it will ask you for a few details because the entire prompt is designed to help you create content that is customized towards your niche and content that is going to convert people into high paying client. You first have to give your brand name, you have to give your Instagram handle, you have to tell the primary colors that Cloud can use. But the problem why carousels don't work for many coaches is that their carousels look pretty. They educate, but they don't convert and they lack structure. With the entire prompt that I gave you, this is no longer a problem because there is a specific system designed to help you with this content creation. And the entire system actually helped me build my business to 6 figures in the last 3 years. And thanks to AI, now I can actually do everything automatically instead of paying the designer team or copywriters to design the content for me. All you need, as I mentioned, is Claude and the exact prompt that I gave you. Then the only thing required from you is to give Claude the idea. Claude doesn't just fix bad ideas. Your idea must be an idea that actually hit the pain of your clients, their false beliefs, and it should provide some sort of transformation. Then you simply run this post to Claude, and as you can see in my chat with Claude, I actually adjusted and adapted this to make it sound like it's me in my brand voice. And most importantly, I just changed the positioning and the words so I can make the whole content sound human. Because when Claude gives everything, it looks professional just like this. The entire piece of content is designed in less than 5 minutes. And if you actually want to use the exact same prompts and many more, we have a lot in the Sales Fast Track program that is designed to help coaches with acquiring clients using AI. Just click the first link in the description so you can access everything.